Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, T-Bird Stacking. I got that maple leaf that I bought the other day and made an open sand cast for it. Looks like it came out pretty good. I'm gonna get ready to pour that. For some molten copper. Hey everyone, here we go. And that maple leaf. Woo!
Silver in the dark, gold in the light. Stacking treasures, man, counting every
Bang,
bite.
bang, bang.
Heavy hands, heavy heart, weighing the shine. What's it worth? What's it mean? In the metal's glow, I've seen T-Bird stacking. Yeah, he's the one sending out stickers brighter than the sun. T-Bird stacking, never done, never done.
Want this to be a short.
Numbers climb, towers grow. How much higher can it go?
Just poured that maple leaf. I had a little more copper left over, enough to maybe pour coin pour. Here it goes. Woo! Not a whole lot of copper in there. We're gonna pour another one. Woo! Bang! There it is. Yeah, let's do a quench. Listen for it. Wow. Wow. There it is. That was a long quench. There's going to be a red coin. Woo! T-Bird out. Like, comment, subscribe. Here, that coin is. That was out before even cleaning. Woo! Yeah, you hear the gunshots in the background. That came out so wicked cool. Nice.